Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we're going to be talking about chips and chunks. When do you use chips? When do you use chunks? Because I use them very differently to get different things that I need. And that different thing I need is going to be maybe less smoke or more smoke. So today I'm going to give you my tips and advice, and then we're going to head out to the Weber kettle, and I'm going to show you how to put those tips and advice to work. Now, before we head out to the grill, let's talk a little bit about the chips and chunks. I look at chips and chunks as their size is going to really dictate how much smoke I get, meaning chips, because they're a little bit smaller, I tend to use those for grilling items, maybe steak, chicken, pork chops, because they're going to only produce so much smoke. Yes, I can add more handfuls and continually get it, but really I like these for that burst of smoke or that kiss of smoke. So small chips, small cooking time, right? Little and fast cooking time. Now, bigger when it comes to the chunks, I like these chunks because I don't have to replenish them so frequently, and they're going to give me more, longer, stronger smoke flavor, maybe if I'm doing roasted chicken or I'm doing ribs or something like that. So think of big in the chunks as your bigger, lower, and slower cooks, and little in the chips as your quick, hot, and fast. Now, let's head out to the Weber kettle. We'll show you how I put these to work and give you a little quick tips and advice out at the grill. As you can see here, we are set up in direct cooking, right? We've got our charcoal on this side and our open side here indirect for our roasted chicken today. Now, I'm going to use the Buffalo Trace from Meat Church. That's going to be my chunks that I'm going to use today. Now, two things to consider. Number one, what charcoal are you using? This is an oak and hickory blend, so it will have a little bit of oak and hickory. These are oak and hickory chunks. Now, I don't soak my chunks, but what I'm going to do is load a chunk there and a chunk here, and as you will see, this will slowly start to burn into those chunks. The nice thing about it is I'm going to get smoke flavor, but it's not going to be the only strong flavor coming into this chicken, right? I'm going to slowly move into that smoke and now get even sustained smoke while I cook. So that's the benefit of chunks. Chunks are going to give me long, consistent, even smoke. I put 2 in there because about an hour and a half of cook time, maybe 2 hours maximum. I don't want to overdo it with smoke, right? All right, as you can see, we've got our chunks added in there. We are starting to get that beautiful, beautiful smoke, and that's really it. Super easy. Add your wood chunks. That is going to give you that long, even sustained smoke throughout your entire chicken roasting process. There you have it. Next up, let's talk chips. Well, now you can see that we are out here grilling hot and fast. And I've got my steak going, I've got that charcoal nice and hot, and now I want to add a touch of finishing smoke. That's when I'm going to add those chips, just like I did right into the back, because they are going to start immediately producing smoke. And what we'll do is close it, let it smoke, and that's going to give us that finish. Well, you can see now that we've added those chips, that smoke is definitely coming out a lot stronger, a lot faster, because again, those chips are used for finishing smoke. Yes, I can absolutely dial this down to keep more of that smoke in there, but you will notice 6 to 9 minutes of smoke out of a good handful of chips, and they are going to do their job giving us that nice smooth finish of smoke that we were looking for. And there you have it, that nice finish of smoke. Our chips are pretty much done. Time to head into the kitchen. Well, there you have it, the quick and easy tips and advice. So like I said, I love to use chunks when I'm going to be roasting something like chicken, maybe making ribs, doing brisket, something that is going to take longer. It's going to be lower and slower. Chunks are going to give me even consistent smoke. Chips, as you saw out there, burst of finishing smoke, leaving just a nice kiss of smoke on here on my quicker items, right? Steak, chicken, pork chops, those types of things. Great ways to add flavor for sure, but stay tuned because coming up, I'm going to answer another one of your questions. Do I soak my chips? Do I soak my chunks? That video coming up next. Until then, looks like I have lunch.